morning, Susie. My name is Mary. I'm your aide today, and I'm here to give you a partial bed bath. I am going to wash your face, wash your arm, under the arm, and you also change into a clean gown. I am going to go get my supplies. I'll be right back with you. Hand hygiene before I grab the supplies. For the bed bath, I need a bath blanket, I need a big towel, I need three small rags, and I need a little towel to pad dry the face. I also need a clean gown, basin and soap. I'll get gloves, put on the gloves, and I'll ready. I'll make sure Susie feels the temperature of the water to make sure it's warm enough for her, and it is. Pull the private curtain. I am going to raise up the side rail on the opposite working side. I'll have Susie flat because it's easier on her, it's easier on me. Raise up the bed to my working comfortable level. I am right-handed. I will stay on the right-hand side. Susie's right-hand side. With a bath blanket, I'm going to cover Susie, provide privacy and also to keep her warm. Then I'm going to fold her linen halfway. I am going to take off her gown. Susie, lift up your head for me. I'll take off the gown without exposing Susie. At least I'll try not to expose Susie. Take off this side. Make sure not to expose. This is gonna go in the linen basket. I am going to put the big towel under the arm that I'll be washing. Okay, I can put all the 3 rags in the basin. I will soak them up. Squeeze them out, and I am gonna start with the face. No soap on the face because people use different products for their face. So the first area of my rag, I'm going to wash from the center of the eye towards the ear. I'll peel, wash from this eye towards the other ear. I'll wash her forehead, and then I'll wash her mouth, her nose, around her ears, her neck. That's the wash. Now I am going to pat dry the face. Face is done. Now I'm going to wash the hand. I'm only exposing the area that I'm going to wash. With my clean rag, I'll put soap on 2 to 3 corners, rub it in. I'll start with the fingers. I'll wash between the fingers, around the nails. Halfway down to the elbow, I am going to switch to a clean area. Then I wash from the elbow all the way to the shoulder. Then before I wash the underarm, I'm going to peel and then wash the underarm. Peel one more time and wash the underarm again. That's the wash. And now I am going to rinse the same way. Start with the fingers. Between the fingers, around the nails. Halfway towards the elbow, I am going to switch to a new area of the rag. And then I'm going to switch to a clean area again. Wash the underarm. Switch one more time. Wash the underarm. She's done. Then I'll pat dry. So for the state, you are only required to wash one side of the body. Of course, in your life, you'd wash both arms. Alright, she is done. I'll get rid of the towel. Now I'm going to put a new gown on Susie. Again, I'll make sure not to expose her when I'm dressing her up. I'll get rid of the bath blanket. I'll go in the basket. I'll go ahead and cover her up. Alright, I'm going to clean up and then I'll come back to Susie. I'll dump the water in the sink, or you can dump it in the toilet if you want to. Rinse out the benzene. I dry it out. Put it back in storage. Put back the soap in storage. I will take off my gloves. I'll get back to Susie. I'll open up the fry-paste carton. I will put down the side rail, lower the bed down, raise up the head of the bed, and make sure Susie has her call light. Susie, here's your call light, home if you need me. And lastly, I'll perform hand hygiene. End of the scale.